This is the xrumer project creator, which can help you easily generate hundreds or thousands of projects without having to edit the files using the xrumer GUI or XML files. This tool can be used to generate projects using file links or without file links. In this video I'm going to show generating projects with only one URL per project without using file links. This program is powerful because with the included scheduler creator you can build 10,000 links to each project in succession without spending hours editing the project files. So you can set up xrumer to run as many projects as you want in succession with a particular links list. This is a very simple Java program with 5 text files used for holding the data for your projects. The first text file is XML template, and this is the actual template of what your project files will look like. The project name has a placeholder which is used by the program, and you can move these placeholders around in whatever field you want. So for now I'm going to keep this template the same, and I'm going to insert the data and show you how this program generates the project files. The program is used by first placing your URLs in homepage.txt, and as many lines as you have is as many projects you'll have. So if you use file links, homepage would be file link 1, file link 2, file link 3, and you. In this example I'm going to build 10,000 links to each of these URLs without having to edit the files manually. So homepage I have 3 links. Keywords I have some random keywords, 3 of them. And then in project name it's just the keywords without spaces. And emails, in this example random AOL emails, but you can use a catch-all. So we open up the program. And it gives us 5 files to open, and these 5 files are simply these data files right here. So I'm going to open these. Okay, so I have all of the files loaded with the data, and when I click process it'll generate 3 XML project files. If you saw how fast that was, you realize you can easily generate thousands of project files without having to edit a single line of their XML. And you can see here it put the project name correctly, the email address. This stuff is wrong, but you could change that yourself before you generate the projects. The home page, the signature, and the keyword, the subject lines, and just something in the post text. You can change that as well. You can change the post text to actually contain a spinned article or whatever you want if you do posting. And you can also take placeholders and replace them, like you put one in the occupation field, the interest field, if you want, if you don't want the project name or whatever other field done. Okay, and now what you can do is you can take project name.txt, which contained your project names, go to the scheduler creator, put them in here, put end, and what I usually do is I put these in alphabetical order so it displays correctly in xrumer. You can use Excel to easily sort. Open up schedulercreator.jar. I've loaded the data, which is project names, and the XML file, which is this template. And I'm actually going to copy this template so I have it again. Process it, and it already edited template.xml, and it gave the correct XML. As you can see here, it starts at schedule 0, goes to schedule 1, Schedule 2, Schedule 3, Schedule 4, and Schedule 5 raises the number so you don't have to do any editing. Really, all you might want to do is just remove the Blake lines. Rename template.xml schedule. And now you have all of your project files in the other directory, and you have your schedule.xml. And what you do is you then put your projects in xrumer/projects, schedule in the main directory, and then load a links list. And you can control the amount of links you want to build by editing the links list and building 10,000, 5,000, or whatever you want. And the real benefit to this application is that on SMF platforms, sometimes with xrumer using file links to build links to your articles, you'll end up having in the home page field weight loss, and then in the signature field you might have a different niche like dog training. And especially if you are building links for other people, you might want to have only their link, and this is an easy way to do that without having to waste time. And it's also a good selling point that you can tell them that no other links will show up. Also included with the xrumer project creator is the scheduler creator and a 14,000 long xrumer profile list, as well as a blog engine list for Scrapebox. All do follow links. I'm also going to be including a few other goodies. Check out the thread on Botmaster or the SEO Bay for more information.